Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. I have my Macy's, which I put in an old Macy's bag, and my Ipsy today. I am excited to look at these, look at what I picked up, see what they sent, and decide if they were good and which one won. So let me know down below what you got in your Ipsy and in your Macy's. If you get them, let me know if you get them. Let me know if you've ever been tempted by them or why you do or you don't get them. Let me know down below. Also, if you haven't already liked and subscribed, please do consider liking the video and subscribing. It really does help out YouTubers so much. I feel like I normally start with Macy's, so I'm going to start with Ipsy. And this is the bag this month. It has I like the little crystal ball. I think that's very cute. It is definitely feels Halloween-y for October. I think it's very creepy though. I do not like all of the snakes, so I'm going to be decluttering this bag. I'm actually I talked about it yesterday when I was filming a video of my declutter, which is coming. So yep, that's going in that pile. I just don't like snakes at all. They creep me out. I don't want anything with snakes on it. Okay, so besides the bag, let's see what we got. First up, I have Context. This is a matte bronzer in Undisputed. What does this one look like? Okay, that's what it looks like. Is that too dark? That feels a little dark. I don't know. We will swatch it. Maybe not. No, that's fine. It does not swatch very dark at all. So that's a little crazy. Now I'm going to wipe my finger on my chair because I didn't think to bring a makeup wipe. So that started out okay. Keys Soul Care Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream. Okay, I have had okay luck with Keys Soul Care. It's not something that I get super excited about, but I do think they have some nice things. I like the packaging. It's a little different than other serums I've gotten from them. Then the next thing is a Pure Heals Centella 80 eye cream. I have so many eye creams. I think I have enough eye creams to last me until I die at this point. At least that's what I feel like. So, yeah, maybe I'll pass that one along. I don't know. And my mom used to use eye cream like crazy, but then she's just stopped, and I'm like, okay, well, we got all this stuff now. Next up we have from, oh, I forgot to tell you prices. My brain is not working at all today. So the eye cream retails for $23. And that's a 30 ml, so this is an 8 ml. That's a huge size for eye cream. Then we have the Keys Soul Care. This retails for $40 for 1.7 ounces, and this is 5 ml, so much smaller. Then the bronzer retails for $24, and that's 7.5 grams, and this is 0.28 grams. That's what it looks like. So, okay. The next thing I have is from Oat Bay. Never heard of it. Mini Oat Bay. Toy.co. Okay. This is a Toy Factory Oat Bay Oil Makeup Remover. Okay. Oh, it says it has chrysanthemum in it, which is a word I would never be able to spell in a spelling bee. It retails for $36 for a full size, which is 100 ml. And this is a 20 ml, so it's about a fifth of the size. Okay, that's kind of cute. I didn't look at what it was, but I tend to, if there's any plastic, I kind of try to pull the plastic off without looking, which is what I did with this one. So that's what it looks like. That's interesting. Okay. And then my last thing, this is what I chose. This is the Lucky Chick Precision Long Lasting Lip Liner Duo and Sweetie and Lovey. Retails for $22 normally. I think Lovey I'm going to pass along because it's more of a brownish shade. Looking at the top here. So we got Lovey and Sweetie. And Sweetie looks like more my shade, but I was getting better about using lip liners, but then I got really bad about it. So that's what it looks like. Oh, that's really pretty, actually. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let's pull Lovey, see. Yeah, that's just too brown. I'm going to put that in my pass along pile. I'm not going to throw that though, because that would be insane. So actually not a bad month for Ipsy. I feel like it's better than it's been recently. Makeup remover, kind of practical. Serum, I go through serums quite often. The bronzer I was a little nervous about, but I think it's going to be fine. And I got one lip liner that I like. It's just the eye cream that I like. Please don't send me any more eye creams, because I must have at least 50 of varying sizes, not counting foil packets, which I should start using the foil packets next. Quick update. I meant to mention that this is the earliest I have gotten my Ipsy in months, maybe even years. I got it on the 11th. I've never gotten it this early before. I was shocked that they got it to me so quickly. And I know I didn't have add-ons this month, so I know that delays things, but I was pleasantly surprised that it was this early, because there's been times when I've gotten it like the last day of the month, or even like, yeah. So it's really early this month. Also, that lip liner, I just washed my hands and dried them, scrubbing with paper towels, trying to see that lip liner is impressive. So pretty good on that, actually. Just wanted to update. All right, Macy's. So as always, they send a $5 off coupon off a purchase of 20. I ended up using that. They were doing a sale the other day, and I got one of their sets for like $5 off of the sale price, which was really cool, actually. I did unfurl this because I was shocked at how light it was, and then I went to look to figure out what the one thing was, and they don't even have the right thing on their website, so you can't really tell what it is. We'll get to that. But this month we have a brow definer in soft brown, which I'm going to pass along, and I'm not going to put these in a new video. I'm just going to like stick them in the box with what I am no longer wanting. Clarins, this is the one-step gentle exfoliating cleanser. Okay, so that's all right. A very small cleanser, I can tell you that. Like maybe 2-3 uses, very tiny. But you know, it's a cleanser. I will definitely use a cleanser. Then we have, oh, we're gonna wait for that one. We have a Nudie Matte from Nude Sticks. This is an all-over face blush color in the shade Cherie. So that's the shade. We'll swatch this one. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. I need to use these type of blushes a little bit more. I'm terrible about using them up. Okay, then we have the Peter Thomas Roth No Filter Primer, Instant Firm. Okay. Never tried a primer from them that I remember. And then Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. That's always a good, I think it's a decent product. So we have that. And then we have this thing. Yeah, I looked on Reddit, and apparently it's supposed to, oh, you can lock and unlock it. Oh. What? I think I broke it. I don't understand. It said it's supposed to like absorb oil, but how? What? I don't know. So if you have any advice on this or any knowledge of this, let me know, because weird. This is weird. I would say Ipsy definitely beat Macy's this month, because this I'm going to pass along. I'm sorry, I'm not going to keep it. Brow definer passing along. So we got two things that I definitely are not things that I will use. There was no bag this month. There was no perfume this month, which is like one of the big things about Macy's. Primer is okay. Vitamin C is okay. Cleanser is okay. This is okay. I don't really need any more blushes, but it's kind of pretty. Let's. Is this the like more sticky one? That went to like almost nothing. So we'll see. We'll see what I think about it. Anyway, that is Macy's and Ipsy's this month. I think Ipsy won. Let me know if you think Macy's was better. Let me know, like I said, what you got. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.